Try this cottage cheese and onion dip recipe for the perfect blend of savory and salty flavors. The ingredients don't sound that impressive on their own, but we promise they come together perfectly well to make something spectacular. In a food processor, add the cottage cheese, cream cheese, chives, and red onion. Season with salt, then puree the ingredients together until it forms a smooth consistency. Chill in the refrigerator until ready to eat. To serve, simply garnish with chopped chives before dipping in. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.